this side for me. Get you all tuned up for your flight.
Yes.
How many hours is that?
It's about 14, 15. Oh.
You feel it?
Yeah.
There's another one. Oh, other way. You're gonna need a good chiropractor out there.
Dr. Warwick is here. Not out
You're
there.
not flying me out there.
Right.
Thank you for your referral, by the way. I appreciate it.
Oh.
There was another referral. I can't remember who it was, but yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think you chimed in on your back, Sixto.
On my back.
Chimed in on one of the sites. There's military sites or something.
Yeah, my page.
Yeah. Yeah.
The Latina white page.
And she came in really happy with treatment.
Yeah, she wasn't in pain. Yeah,
I usually get you guys all in pain. Breath in.
we're military white.
Oh, Lord.
Breath. And oh, good. Helping me too much, Sixto.
Oh.
Good. All right, let's have you.
Ooh. Oh.
This is what we call a full spine, full body adjustment. How's the school going? Schooling now.
Yeah.
Wrapped up, all done?
I start up on the fall in September.
Again. Took a break for a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, sit up for me. Face Linda, Sixto. Good. You're right-handed, Sixto. Bend this elbow. Drop your head. Good. Other one. Good. How's that feel? See you in return, miles later. Are you getting adjusted today, Linda?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, me too, me too.
So Linda came in a while ago.
Yeah.
If you remember, both of you were new.
Mm-hmm.
You've never seen a chiropractor. How did you guys find me again? It wasn't
Facebook.
through, was it through Facebook?
Mm-hmm.
You had gone, and I'm going to say this, various medical routes, and there was nothing they could do. A lot of back pain, neck pain.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember how miserable she was.
Right.
And we had like one or two adjustments, and what a difference.
Big time. It's like me. It's like right now my pain is gone. Oh man, great.
All right, raise this leg without bending the knee. Don't bend the knee though. Linda, don't bend the knee. And back down. Try the other one. Back down. Lay on this side, Linda. What airline are you guys taking?
You're taking a Space A.
And just let your body fall into me. There it is. On your back, please. Good. A little painful there, isn't it? Breath in, blow out.
Oh.
Breath in, blow out. Good.
Oh, nice.
Good job. Now, you didn't mind the towel adjustment, did you, with the traction? You're okay with that, Linda?
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
She has issues with one of her shoulders.
I'll work on that. So we're working right at the lower neck. Feel the heel bone release through there.
Mhm.
Good. Right shoulder or left shoulder bother you
This
more?
one.
The right one. Move downward on the table, so footward. Move this way. You can. Good. Go ahead, sit up, please. Feels better, huh?
Oh yeah.
So the most common thing that happens, especially with what I noticed with you, is that the shoulders will roll forward. So we reverse
Okay.
the rolling forward, how the scapula moves outward on her. So that's why you'll see some commonality and adjustments right there. Let's get that. We're gonna work on the humerus. Not very funny. Good. Other way.
The thing is that
Drop your head.
the only thing that work over here is the needle.
Oh, where they did
Shot.
a steroid injection on them?
Yeah, but I'm allergic.
To the
Cortisone.
yeah, to the cortisone, to the steroids in there.
And oh my god, I wasn't saying this morning.
And now, not as much.
But okay.
So you got to work on. You still always have to work on your core, and you have to work on your body and exercise it. So you work on your posture. A lot of the shoulder, elbow, hands, hips, knees, and feet come from the spine. So when there's bad posture, or you do a certain job in a certain way, it causes weakness from here.
Okay.
So that's why you notice I adjust the spine first, and then I work my way out. Good job. Safe travels.
Oh,
Thank you.
Korea. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington.